guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I was able to get my nails refilled from my previous Daily Charm Unichrome mirror set, and we decided to add some extra length so you could really see the ombre fade. To begin the video, we already prepped the nail by removing the top layer of acrylic from the last set to prepare the nail bed for the pink and white design. When you're getting pink and white ombre done, it's really important that the nail tech knows the proper techniques to blend the white with the pink acrylic so you don't have any harsh lines and the fade is seamless. we decided to place some bling on my ring finger. I really like the way these nails turned out. They remind me of some viral nails that I've seen before, and this is my first time having viral nails or nails like this style, period. So I absolutely love the way they turned out. Make sure you guys check out my nail tech's YouTube channel. I'll leave the link down in the description box as well as on the screen right now, so you guys can subscribe to her channel, and I'll also leave all the products that were mentioned in today's video down in the description box as well. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check that out. To finish the nails off, my nail tech went ahead and used a clear matte polish, even though she used the Young Nails clear cover powder when applying the pink and white. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and if you like the way my nails turned out, be sure to let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.